leader? Maddie. That's correct. So this is our fourth class, and you guys rocked it! Very excited. You guys really brought it together, and I feel like everything coalesced this week. So just to recap of all the stuff we did. Actually do this, it was so good. Actually bounce when you kick and don't swing your legs, that was awesome. Then we just try to be really more clear with leading and following. So we will show you everything we covered. We did basics, ha, ha. We did a skip up, twist, twist, bam! Back on the same leg, keep the posture. We did kickaways, show it here, bop, bop, hey, ha. Really turning slowly but continuing so we catch each other. So that if we let go, we can keep on going. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, and hoop, ha. Just remember when everybody started to get down here and really pump and kick and sweat, that's what made the difference. Great hustle, everybody.